Macedonia. Macedonia is the largest geographical region in Greece. It covers central northern Greece, from the Pindus Mountains to the river Nestos, which separates it from Thrace. Mount Olympus, the mountain in Greek mythology where the 12 ancient Greek gods lived, is here in Macedonia, as are the important archaeological sites of Dion, Pella, Vergina, and Philippi. The cities of Macedonia have all been famous since ancient times. Kavala with its aqueduct, Drama with its abundant sources of water, cosmopolitan Thessaloniki, Naousa with its famous wines, and Kastoria with its famous lake and furs, which are exported worldwide. Macedonia is an area which is crossed by many rivers, both large and small, and which is adorned by beautiful lakes, mountains, and forests. Visitors to the area can also enjoy the ski resorts, spas, picturesque villages, and wetlands which are to be found in the region. And of course, the beaches, such as those in Chalkidiki, with their tropical waters and golden sand and pine trees running down to the sea, are unforgettable. Athos, the eastern peninsula of Chalkidiki, is home to the self-governing monastic community of Mount Athos, with its 20 monasteries. It is the most important center of Greek Orthodoxy in the world, and is a cultural and traditional monument and institution that has remained unchanged for the last 1,000 years. One of the unique customs which has been maintained in some parts of Macedonia is anastenaria, that is, walking on fire. Here the faithful hold icons of Saints Constantine and Helen and walk over hot coals in an ecstatic trance without being burnt. This custom dates back to the Orphic Mysteries. The magical and cosmopolitan city of Thessaloniki, which was built in honor of Alexander the Great's sister, lies in the Thermaic Gulf. Thessaloniki is a city with thousands of years of history, as it was the main city of Macedonia and vice-capital of Byzantium, that is, the second city after Constantinople. In multicultural Thessaloniki, local residents, refugees from Pondos, Asia Minor, Eastern Thrace, Eastern Rumelia, and the large Jewish community all added to the local cuisine and local traditions, making them unimaginably rich. Local cuisine includes exciting meze to go with ouzo, fresh fish and meats, juicy meatballs, and of course, sweets such as bougatsa, sweet cream-filled pastries, galaktobouriko, a custard-filled phyllo pastry sweet, and other syrupy sweets which everyone wants to try. One of the most sought-after products is krokos kozani, red saffron, one of the most precious spices which is known for its aroma, color, taste, and medicinal properties. The wines of Macedonia have been famous since ancient times. Indeed, wine from Thassos was so coveted that it was sold in jars sealed with the seal of the city. It was the first wine in the world with controlled designation of origin, appellation d'origine contrôlée. Mendi, in Chalkidiki, also produced a famous wine. Wine growing in Macedonia is highly developed, and there are dozens of wineries producing excellent wines from international and Greek varieties. The Vorina, the wine roads of the region, link an organized network of wineries which are open to visitors. The dish you will try comes from the Florina region, specifically from the Prespa Lakes. The famous black beans are well known for their taste and are only grown in the areas around the lakes. Here you will sample them cooked with buffalo meat sausage. Lake Kerkini is home to large herds of these animals, which give us a delicious, tasty meat. Xinomavro, the The local grape variety from Nausa, with its sweet flavors of wild cherries, is the perfect accompaniment for this dish. The wide variety and richness of the dances and costumes is characteristic of Macedonia, an area where the inhabitants are sometimes considered to be revelers. The dances that you will see are from the Florina region. The social structure was based on the patriarchal family, something which is reflected in the dances. The first dance is for women and is connected to housework. The second dance is for the elders, that is, the influential men who make the decisions. The next is a faster dance, a dance for everyone. And the last dance tells the story of a beautiful girl called Helen.